Alright, welcome back to Unbox and Chill, guys. Thank you so much for stopping in. We're here to check out our Watch Gang subscription watch. This is the black tier for the month of February 2021, okay? I do want to see at the top of the video, if you can hear my voice, hit that. There's a red box. Let's see if I'm doing this correctly. Down in the corner, hit that red box. And then you can subscribe to the channel. We do giveaways on this channel. We did do one at 500 subscribers. We ended up sending an automatic watch out and a watch winder. We're going to send something out at 1,000 subscribers. So be the cool guy. Hit that subscribe button. Like I said, that red box in the bottom corner, you can hit that and subscribe. Join the channel. Join the Unbox and Chill family, okay? Just so that let's see, lay down, I guess like a primer. I don't do this often, but Watch Gang is a subscription box service where they will send you a watch every month. This particular one is about 99 bucks to get into. And they send it, like I said, it comes every month. It'll kind of surprise you, surprise you. It'll pop up in your mailbox. And we're going to see what it entails for this particular month. Once again, guys, this is the February 2021 watch that they sent out. Let's get everything ready. Move that. Let me put my mouse here because I actually have the information. Let me see here. I've got it here. I've got the information on the watch. Here we are. Okay, cool. Too many tabs open. All right, so I will do a quick wristwatch check before I jump in. This is the Terra Cello Mare. It's like an Italian watch. I do like it a lot. I've got it on this chunky mesh with that thick 24mm lug-to-lug. Bit of a chunker, but it is a nice automatic chronograph and not something that you see a lot of. There's a bunch of them out there, but not too many. You'll probably never see another person wearing one in front of you. You may see them online, but you may never run into another person wearing one of these. So very nice piece, very well made. But let's get into it, okay? So we've got the 3 Leagues. If you know, we did unbox the 3 Leagues on this channel. This is the watch brand here, 3 Leagues. Which, if you look this up, this has something to do with Swiss history. If you look up 3 Leagues, I won't go into a history lesson here. But 3 Leagues has to do with Swiss history. And, you know, you can give that a Google. That's an interesting read. But this particular watch, like I said, let's pop it open here. This is our black tier. Let me get my wrist ready to try this one on. This is our black tier watch, 2021 February. Let's move this open here. And we've got our warranty card here from 3 Leagues. It's got the website information or whatever on here. And then we've got the watch. So it's not a lot. It's just kind of a paper box, as you can see here, with the 3 Leagues logo on there, which is fine for this particular price point. Let's see here. So you've got the 3 Leagues. You've got the tag on there. 3 Leagues watches. And this one, guys, is the Gray League. So this is 3 Leagues Gray League. And keep in mind, even the name Gray League actually ties into history. You can look that up as well. Yeah, all this stuff is kind of interesting. You know, we had the Duxo on here, which was called the Duxo Triunfo. That was our platinum last month. And I kept saying, what was Triunfo? I look it up. It just means triumph in Italian. So each of these brands, like I say, try to tie in some kind of history or heritage or something like that when they, with the naming schemes and that sort of thing. Let's punch in for some detail here. There we go. And this is the Gray League. Okay, so as you take a look at it here, as you can see, you've got a quartz movement. It's definitely ticking. Stainless steel bezel. It's kind of I don't know if it's like a royal blue in terms of the dial and bezel. Kind of a royal blue situation. Let's see here. As we turn the bezel, I will say that's a satisfying click in terms of the bezel rotation there. But listen, it looks like a lot of other pieces. It's not an overall terrible looking piece. Let's see here. So you've got 316L stainless steel. You've got a precision Swiss quartz movement. You've got a sapphire coated mineral crystal. Okay, that's flat. It's definitely not domed. Let's see here. As you can see, you've got that signed. Looks like the crown is signed there, and then on the back you've got the 3 Leagues logo or shield, or I guess perhaps it's a crest etched into the back there. Let's see here. So you do have a unidirectional rotating bezel. Doesn't tell you how many clicks or anything like that. Let's see here. You do have a screw down crown Let's see here. You've got a Jubilee, I guess Jubilee style bracelet is what I would say. That's a Jubilee style bracelet. Luminous hands, luminous markers, date display. 43 millimeters is the size. We'll just give that away now. Normally I have you guys guess, but 43 millimeters and 50 meters of water resistance. So again, at the $99 watch game price point, guys, this is not a, so got the plastic on the back there. This is not a spec beast. So you see you got the 3-league shield on the back there. Like I said, you've got that Jubilee bracelet. I will say it does feel pretty satisfying. It doesn't, sometimes they will catch and that sort of thing, or they feel very jingly jangly. I will say this bracelet does feel pretty boss, pretty sturdy, actually. In terms of the, you've got that fold over, and you do have a bit of a nicer clasp with this price point, which I'm actually a little bit surprised. Normally, this middle situation, normally you do have kind of the cheapy pressed clasp on this at this particular price point. So I'm actually surprised to see that they included that clasp. I will say, in terms of the clasp and in terms of this bracelet, for the $99, this is very nice. As you can see here, you do just have a basic quartz movement. You've got that screw down crown. We'll pull that out. We'll pull this out. You've got that date complication, which I don't know why. I'm a sucker for a round date window, but you've got that date complication there at the 3 o'clock. You see, set the time here. Let's see here. You got the date there. So overall, not a bad piece. As you can see, you've got this is a GMT situation going on there as well. Not a bad piece. I love it. Always like a nice GMT when I travel. So then I don't have to necessarily, mess up my. I don't have to mess up my. I can use that GMT hand in order to set a different time zone, and then I don't have to change the time on my watch. So a nice GMT situation is not bad at all. If you remember, I had a Citizen EcoDrive GMT ProMaster, and I will say that was nice. If you go on a small vacation, like I said, you can change the time zone, still be able to tell time home and where you are. So of course, that's how GMT works, but it's very nice. Let's throw this on the wrist here, and we'll take a look. Let's punch back out as we're done with our detailed shots. Let's go in and take a look at the. Let's take a look at it on my wrist. Now keep in mind, guys, I have an 8¼ inch wrist. Oh boy. Let me see here. Let's try it on my wrist. I think I need to make some adjustments here. And I know this isn't great video with me being off camera. This is great entertainment here. But here it is on my wrist, as you can see. Like I said, 43 millimeters, not a bad overall looking watch. I need to make some adjustments here, do some micro adjustments. Keep in mind, guys, I have an 8¼ inch wrist. My wrists are huge. But overall, not a bad looking piece on me anyway. Like I said, quartz movement, not a spec beast. You do have a mineral crystal. Where I think the high points are with the bracelet and with the clasp. I think the bracelet feels very nice, very heavy, very sturdy. The clasp is very nice. But in terms of the, it doesn't have any ceramic at this price point. It is a GMT movement, so that is nice, but you are just getting a sapphire coated mineral crystal, so it doesn't have any, it's not a true sapphire crystal in any way. But again, for this price point, guys, $99, what do you really want here? It's going to be kind of hard to include a ceramic bezel insert. It's going to kind of be hard to, to include sapphire crystal and even a cheap automatic movement at a $99 price point and ship it to you. So, it's what do you want? It's going to be a little hard to do all of that, but I will say for the $99 price point, it's not terrible. And I do like the color. I do like the color blue. So, screw down crowns. So, listen. If you're starting out, this is a great addition to your collection. It's really not bad at all. And like I said, that GMT, you can't beat it for traveling. Let me know about this particular watch. I want to know, would you wear this? Would you make this yours? Would you add it to your collection? Do you think it's worthy of any wrist time? As I slip it off here. Do you think this is worthy of any wrist time? The 3 leagues, This is the 3 Leagues Gray League, okay? Do me a favor once again, guys. Like, comment, subscribe. Hit that red box down. I'm trying to point to it. It's down in the corner there. And you can subscribe to the channel. You can join our giveaway. We do have a 1,000 subscriber giveaway coming up. You're going to want to see that. You're going to want to be a part of that. Thank you so much for stopping in, as I always do appreciate it. This has been Unbox and Chill, signing out.